Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy tonight's presentation. Tonight's recipe comes from Switzerland. On tonight's menu, Churer Fleischtorte. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. Evening mise en place. Rolling out the bottom dough. The dough is ready to be blind baked. Here it is in the hot box. Melting some butter in the saute pan. I add the onion and the bacon and saute. Then I add the pork and the beef and then saute till brown. The bottom layer of dough is ready. Then I add the stock, wine, and flour. And then I add the spices, stir to combine. Here's the finished filling. And here's the filling in the dough. Rolling out the top layer of dough. Here, about ready to go together. Here's the top layer, all nice and snug, ready to go in the hot box. Here it is in the hot box. Here it is fresh out of the oven. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.